WrinGo Automatic Sponge Machine. Elevate your grout cleaning process with the WrinGo Automatic Sponge Machine from RTC. Designed to revolutionize the workflow for tile contractors and home remodelers. This innovative tool saves time, reduces fatigue, and consistently delivers perfect results. Patented squirrel cage design agitates sediment from sponges before wringing, ensuring a clean sponge every time. Solid nylon rollers extract maximum water for a perfectly damp sponge, preventing pigment washout. Stainless steel construction provides extreme durability and longevity, withstanding daily job site use. Compatibility with popular sponges. Versatile use on various projects, fitting standard 5 and 6 gallon buckets. Extra long 25-foot cord. Reaches most work areas without the need for an extension cord. Labor cost savings. Streamlines the grout cleaning process, reducing the need for manual labor. Integrated safety switch. Engages on bucket rim to prevent accidents during operation. Bi-directional switch. Allows for forward and reverse operation for added convenience. Efficient power supply. Operates on an input of 100 to 277 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.4 amps and output of 12 volts, 8.33 amps, 100 watt. Reduces the risk of carpal tunnel, minimizes hand fatigue and strain, promoting a healthier work environment.